Good day, good day, good day. Healthy birds for a happy nation. Today is day 9. There shall be no loss in anything we do. I'm happy to tell you, congratulations to all of us in the comment section. No mortalities. Let us leave the grammar for the professional professors. But here in Healthy Birds, we do not register mortalities. Our birds are healthy and strong. No mortalities is accommodated. That is why we have decided to proceed with our master class. You can join our master class today to give you all in do's and don'ts, and I guarantee you no mortalities. Healthy birds for a happy nation. There shall be no loss in anything we do. Have a nice day. Bye.